In today's video, I am going to teach you how to translate messages in Telegram. This is perfect when you are chatting with friends, colleagues, or communities that use different languages. And you want quick, built-in translations without leaving the app. Start by opening Telegram on your mobile device or desktop. We need to adjust one setting to make translations easy. Head into Settings. On desktop, you'll find it from the menu with the three horizontal lines. On mobile, it's in a similar place within the app's main menu. If your layout looks a little different, don't worry, just look for Settings in the app's main navigation. Inside Settings, open Language. Here, turn on Show Translate button. This switch tells Telegram to add a translation option to messages, so you can translate anything on the fly. If you are fluent in certain languages, you can keep things tidy by using the Do Not Translate list. Add any languages you speak well, and Telegram will hide the Translate button for those messages, reducing clutter while keeping the feature handy where you need it. With that set up, go back to your chats. Open any conversation where you want to translate a message. The process is slightly different on mobile and desktop, but it's quick either way. On mobile, tap the message you want to translate once. A small menu will appear. Choose Translate. Telegram will instantly process the text and show you the translation. You don't need to copy or paste anything, it's all done right there. On desktop, right-click the message you want translated. From the menu that appears, select Translate. Just like on mobile, the translated text will pop up on screen for easy reading. The translation appears in a pop-up box, so you can compare it with the original message without losing your place in the conversation. When you are done, simply tap or click Close Translation to return to the chat view and keep the conversation going. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see the language option or the Show Translate button switch, make sure your Telegram app is up to date. Also, the Do Not Translate list is great for bilingual users. It keeps the interface clean while still giving you instant help for languages you are less comfortable with. That's it. Thanks for watching.